My name is Laura James. I'm the sales manager for the NextHome One Fenton branch, and I have been in the industry for about 20 years. How I got my start is I was going to school for marketing and architectural preservation, answered an advertisement for help wanted for a front desk receptionist position, and during my interview, the person indicated that basically I was capable of a little bit more. So I started in the marketing department and just kind of evolved from there, and that's where I am today. I want to say about 10 or 12 years ago, I had a beautiful young couple and they were looking to move into the Fowlerville area, and they had, there was a subdivision. So we looked at a few existing homes, but nothing really struck their fancy. We looked into doing a new construction build. I was partnered with Randy, and he was just amazing to work with. My clients ended up with a beautiful home, and the whole transaction was just so smooth and seamless that we just continued our partnership, and we've been working together ever since. What has brought my clients to Allen Edwin is the fact that they build beautiful homes at an affordable price. A lot of my clients in this industry or in our community, we have a lack of inventory. So the fact that Allen Edwin is providing brand new, beautiful homes at an affordable rate is really a value and a benefit to my clients. So the reason I love real estate, it's really hard to explain because it's something that has been ingrained in me for so long. It's something that I've grown up with. My father was, or not my father, my papa was a real estate broker. So I grew up kind of watching him do it, and so I think I grew a little bit of a love in that sense. And then just looking at all the homes in my community, it's just always been a passion of mine. And honestly, I enjoy each and every client that I have, helping them achieve their goals and just giving them happiness at closings. So I think what sets my business apart from others is the fact that I completely ingrained myself with my clients. Each client that I have, no matter whether they're purchasing a $100,000 home or a $2 million home, they each get everything that I have. So I completely delve into what their goals and expectations are. And at the end of the transaction, I end up with a friend, family member almost for life. So Allen Edwin saves me a lot of time when I'm working with my new construction clients because, as I've indicated earlier, they do provide that concierge service. So rather than me having to track things down, research things, find out, what does this mean? What does this do? I know that I have a point of contact at all times that can just lickety-split answer all of my questions and help me provide that personal service to my clients. So I think we're a great team in that regard. So Allen Edwin has helped to grow my business because if you think about it, a real estate agent's job is to have all the knowledge in order to educate their clients. So I specialize in vacant land, residential, luxury homes, lakefront homes, condos. And because of Allen Edwin and all of their time and resources that they've put into me, I can now say that I'm also sort of an expert in new construction as well. So they've kind of expanded my horizons and given me just more to provide to my clients. It's so easy to register my clients with Allen Edwin Homes. If sometimes I'm in the car and I get a quick phone call from a client saying that they want to look at a new construction right now, and it's something that we haven't considered in the past, my salesperson from Allen Edwin is literally a phone call away. So if it is something that's last minute, I just pick up the phone and call. Otherwise, it's just a simple matter of getting on the website and clicking in my client's name. The thing I enjoy the most about working with Allen Edwin Homes is the fact that I have personal service from the same person every single time. And it's a smooth and seamless transaction. They really do make me look good when we're doing new construction homes. I feel like there's a really great partnership there that a lot of times if you're working on a residential with another agent, sometimes there's things that you go back and forth on, but I always feel like I have a really great support system with Allen Edwin.